If you're running a WooCommerce store, chances are that most of your traffic is coming from mobile. That's true for pretty much every e-commerce brand right now. Mobile is where your customers are, but mobile browsers aren't built for shopping. Sessions are short, distractions are everywhere, and it's not easy to bring people back once they leave. A mobile app changes that. It puts your brand on your customer's home screen. You can send push notifications for free, and customers come back more often, spend more per visit, and convert at significantly higher rates. We consistently see app users generate 5 to 10 times more revenue per user than mobile web visitors. That's a channel that you can't afford not to have. So how do you actually build one? For WooCommerce stores, that can be a bit of a pain point. You can hire a development team to build a native app from scratch, but that means months of work, a big budget, and completely separate code bases you'll need to maintain alongside your website. Every update, every new product, and every promotion, you're doing it twice, and you're paying a premium for it. There are also some no-code app builders for WooCommerce, but most of them force your store into a template, stripping away everything that makes your store unique. And the kicker, you're managing a separate platform with these as well. Neither option is ideal, but the crazy thing is your website probably already works great on mobile. It's responsive and the checkout converts. The product pages look good and you spend time getting all of this right. So why should you have to start again and rebuild anything for your app? The real value of a mobile app isn't a brand new interface. It's the native features that you can't get on the web, such as push notifications, home screen presence, and a faster, more focused shopping experience working on top of your website. You don't need to rebuild your store. You just need to rebuild on what already works. That's what MobiLoud does. MobiLoud takes your existing WooCommerce store and turns it into a native iOS and Android app. Your design, your checkout, your plugins, your integrations, all of that carries over to your app. When you update your WooCommerce store, your app updates automatically. There's no syncing, no separate code bases, and no double work. And it's fully managed. MobiLoud handles the build, the App Store submissions, and the ongoing maintenance. You don't need a developer to keep it running. You've already built a great WooCommerce store, now put it on your customers' home screens. So go to MobiLoud.com to learn more about how it works.